Today we'll be transforming these super boring tin cans into, drumroll please, a holder for Holi! Ta-da! And here's the other ones. So you can use them not just for Holi, but also for pens, pencils, paintbrushes, paint, or anything. First, get any can from anywhere in your house. Well, probably the kitchen, and then you'll just rip off the cover. I think this is gonna be fun. Rip. Then you'll get lots and lots of popsicle sticks. Then take your hot glue gun. If you're a child and you're watching this, make sure that you take parent supervision, otherwise you'll burn yourself. Thick strip, and then quickly put your popsicle stick on top. Just like that. Since Holi is a festival of colors and it symbolizes spring, I decided to make my pencil holder or gulal holder, which is color holder or anything, I decided to make it rainbow colored. Types of squirt are beautiful colored paints. So once we do the whole entire cup, it's gonna look so pretty and all nice and colorful. Time to paint. And speaking of painting, I made these two paintings. And that one. I love to paint. It's so fun, so I think I'm really gonna like this part. I'm just going to take my beautiful array of colors and pick any one to go first. All finished! Look how beautiful they look. This one looks so colorful. This one is just some stripes, and this one is also stripes. And these ones are simple, and this one is a little bit more complicated. But they all look so pretty. But I think there's one more thing. Since Holi is the festival of spring and colors, what should we add? Something's missing. Bling! So let's add some bling to our holders. Finished our holders. The center one, because it's so colorful and bright and pretty, we're going to use it for gulal, and the other ones on the day of Holi. But after Holi, I'm going to use them in my room because they're so pretty and colorful. I can use them for pencils, for a hairbrush, for paints, for paint brushes. You could even use it for your craft studio. Make sure that you follow us on Facebook and Instagram, which are linked on our homepage on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.